This dog is hungry. And oh no! Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be recreating the mighty kale smoothie from Jugo juice. It cost us almost $8 to buy this, and because we're Asian and we're cheap, we're going to recreate it. And so as a result, we spent $30 to $40 worth of ingredients to make this smoothie. Hope it's worth it. Back in the day when, prior to the pandemic, we were commuting, I used to buy this smoothie all the time. So let's give it a taste test and then we're gonna recreate it. So right now we're driving towards Superstore to grab the ingredients. So we're gonna need some mangoes, we need pineapples, we're gonna get some apple juice, some kale, a ton of kale actually, because I've seen how much kale they put in their smoothies. And then I think we also need some spinach. So let's grab those ingredients. Mango, spinach, kale, apple juice, orange juice, and pineapple. Do this. With pulp. Pineapple. Mango. We're gonna buy all these ingredients to make this smoothie because that's how we roll. This is us being cheap and wanting to save $7 and buying $30 worth of ingredients. But it is what it is. Let's get started. So from an appearance wise, it seems to be a lot chunkier. So I think I may have added a little bit too much kale, but we're just gonna give it a quick taste test. So cameraman, what do you think?
I don't know, the colors for the one we made, is kind of darker. You think it's kale?
I think I added too much kale.
Yeah.
But the original one had more pineapple. So I think if we add a little bit more pineapple, a little bit less kale, it would be pretty much there. I think that's why the one I made had more bits.
So less kale.
Less kale.
Maybe more pineapple.
More pineapple.
Yep.
Thinking off camera that their smoothies might be a little watery. So they probably add ice and they probably make it in bigger batches. So when we see them add that much kale, it might not actually be that much kale for just one smoothie. So I'm gonna reduce the quantities a little bit and add a little bit of water to see if it makes it a little bit more smooth. For round two, we're just gonna add a little bit less kale, remove the stalk, and also add a little bit more pineapple. Here's round two. As you can see, I added significantly less kale, so I actually removed a lot of the stalk from this one. You can see the ratio is a lot more better this time. So it's kale and spinach for half, and then orange mango for the other half, and then of course apple juice and orange juice. Let's blend. So as you can see here, the key difference between the two is mine is a little bit more chunkier. So I'm guessing their blender is just really, really strong in that it can just completely pulverize the leaves. Not too big of a difference in my opinion. Let's give it a taste test. So initial impressions is still a little bit too thick, but let's give it a taste. We're just gonna compare it to this one. It's separated, so. I feel like the Jugo juice has almost like a kiwi flavor, whereas like there's a tartness that's missing from ours.
Yeah, something.
It's really thick, right?
Yeah. Whereas this one's way sweeter. More orange juice, maybe.
More orange juice.
Yeah.
So more orange juice, less apple juice. Kale ratio is okay. Maybe a little bit more pineapple to give it that tartness.
Maybe blend it a bit more.
Round three. So it's the same color, and I blended it longer this time, so there's less chunkiness to the leaves, and let's give it a taste. Yo, it's definitely the ice. I think we figured it out. We just gotta add ice.
Yo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? It tastes so similar. So just add a little bit less ice and you got it. Thanks for joining us today and watching how we recreated a $7 smoothie by using $30 worth of ingredients. So thanks for tuning in. Join us for more stupidity as we concoct different recipes in the kitchen. Follow us for more content and also comment down below what you guys want to see us recreate next. Hope to see you guys next time. Cheers.